guys, it's KOLFan93 back here with another video. Now, this is supposed to be part 3 of this mega Attitude Era unboxing that I've been doing over the last few days. Now, had some pretty good stuff. Really good additions to the collection, and we've been on a roll putting these unboxing videos out. Unfortunately, this video was supposed to have been recorded several days ago along with the other ones that I did, but something happened and I somehow maxed out all the storage in my phone, and yeah, the video stopped recording about 10 seconds into the video. I had barely gotten past the back here with another video part. What is going on, you guys? It's KOLFan93 back here with part 3. So yeah, that was very upsetting for me. So now we're going to go ahead and reveal what the third belt out of that gigantic box was. The very gigantic, busted up box. And that belt was the Attitude Era Big Eagle. This is one of my favorite championship designs of all time. And really wish that I could have got my reaction on camera, because this is the first time I'd seen the casted version of this in person, because I've only owned the 2mm versions like the WWF or the original Figures Inc. WWE ones from like 2004 and 5. So this was a super nice addition to the collection. I was really pleased with how this belt came out. I mean, the stitched on snap box is a downside for me, but I can get past that because I've been used to Figs Inc. doing that for the last 20 some odd years. But needless to say, this is a very well put together replica. There are so many different aspects to this belt that I just absolutely love. I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up shot of it here. But on the WWE scratch logo, notice there on the swoosh, as well as the logos on the side plates, they've gone with a very dark, deep red, almost like a maroon, burgundy, if you will. I think it's just absolutely wonderful. So now we're going to go ahead and get a good shot of all 4 belts that came in this week. There is something else on the way, so stay tuned for that. And that's going to do it for this video. So like, comment, subscribe. You want to get that bell on. You need these notifications. Anyway, I'm KOLFan93, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Coming down fast, you know the day's gonna be the last. When I hit the lighter, strike a match, you see your whole world turn to ash. Going through the trees into the dead of the night, your biggest fear has come to life. Well, the beginning is no fun. I realize that I'm fucking done. Devil on the wall, coming down fast, you know the day's gonna be the last one. 'Cause I'm fine, I'm not done. Hell's only just begun. All through the day into the night, you're gonna fade into the light. Well, you've been struck by a spider killer. Blackest eyes, 8 ways to hell. An hourglass on a candy shell with no remorse or contrite. A biting gaze to an end in life, and it's something that's left unexplained. Delirious drives me insane. Well, I throw a shoe, what you do? Run away. Devil